What is up, Elite Trainers, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you guys probably saw by the title and the thumbnail, today is a vlog. That's right, guys, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking for another vlog, and well, here it is. And I'm very excited for this one. Sorry guys, right now I am a little sick, just a little. Was feeling really bad yesterday, but feel a little better now. I do have a cough, so just bear with me with my voice. I know it sounds a little raspy and like, I don't know, but yeah. But in today's vlog, guys, I and the squad, that's right, I'll be getting a couple of more of my close friends, my best friends, and we're going to LA for Collecticon. Now, this will be my first time at Collecticon, and I'm very excited, very excited, guys. And I will be obviously taking you guys with us to Collecticon. So I hope you guys really enjoy the vlog, and if you do, hit that like, subscribe down below if you're brand new. If you guys want to see more vlogs, please let me know. Subscribe, that'll be amazing. And let's get into today's video. Let's get into the vlog, guys. So as I was saying in the intro, guys, I am on my way right now to one of my closest friends' house right now. We're all gonna meet up there, and we're gonna go hop on in my car to LA, to the convention. And yeah, but right now, first, I must stop for gas. Since it's gonna be a long, well, not too long, but you know, I still gotta put some gas on the vehicle for sure. On my car for sure. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do first right now, guys. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, guys, we made it to my best bud's house. There he is. There he is. It's Lieutenant. It's Lieutenant. Yes, sir, it's a vlog. The fan favorite, Noble. The fan favorite. There it is, guys. The gang's all here now. Let's go off to LA. We'll collect the cone. We're here, guys. We're in line now. Long ass line too. Here's Noble. He's back. We're excited. First time Collecticon. How you guys feel? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys don't sound hyped.
I'm feeling zesty right now.
Yeah, we're in line, guys. Pikachu? We're in, boys. We're in. Let's go. We're in. We're in, ladies and gents. We're in. PSA. Maybe we'll get some cars graded. I don't know, guys. We'll see. But PSA is here. Oh, you can't see it because of the lighting.
Oh, really? That's what kids are little behind
Old Japanese packs. Really sick. Really sick. Oh, apparently heavy. Big hits on these. What are you looking for, Vader? What's the mission for today?
A Psyduck.
A Psyduck? Anything 10. What are you looking for today, Lieutenant? What are you looking for? ETBs, boosters. Hopefully there's some good prices on them. Let's see what we can find, guys. Yeah.
That's free.
Glorious. Japanese, but still beautiful. Maybe we can win this. Who knows? Gonna try some gamer subs, guys. Gonna need the energy. Ah, it's not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's a scam. It's a scam. Get scam, bro. Get scam, bro.
I mean, it's free.
Beckett here's too. Maybe we'll get some cards graded with Beckett. Sun Jin Woo's here. Alex Lee's here.
I'm from Rancho.
So sick.
That's where my card shop is.
Original packaging and everything.
Yeah, if you're ever in the area, feel free to stop by. My Instagram's on the box.
It's crazy how this card went up in value.
Skymarine from Surging Sparks here.
If we did, it would be over here because everything's up. But
These are going to work. I can see some
All of them are tested. 100%.
Some of the cards I can tell are much cleaner than others. You know?
So the ones that are
Can I still see it, please?
yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Still clean though. Thank you.
What is up, Electrico? We're going to start our panels here very soon.
Unfortunately not. Celebrations.
One of the biggest videos that I do is I go around to these cons and surprise our guests.
Like every year and every no year, some of them will have numbers, you know, like the hard error cooker, but there's also like a black dot error cooker. Every year,
It's sick, bro. That's sick. Come on. You know what I mean?
That looks cool.
Like, shouts to Slab Mag for making my cards look sexy.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah.
Toast is right there, Toast! Making content. We've been here for 3 hours. Unfortunately, since the market's so high with Pokemon cards right now, a lot of the stuff has gone up in value. And it's very discouraging to get anything, to be honest, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's very discouraging, unfortunately. But great convention, great cards, great collection. It's still fun, though. It's really chill here. Very chill. What's the lowest that you go for the Bulbasaur on?
130.
130? I'll do 130. There he goes, pick it up. 10. Bulbasaur illustration rare, baby. Let's go. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah.
Do you want me to? You want to get back the
I'll
slab?
take it back, yeah.
Yeah, you go.
Perfect.
Good.
I appreciate it.
Have a
Thank you
good
so much.
one.
Yeah, thank you.
Take it easy, guys.
Thank you. Cut.
So it'll be 28.47.
Alright.
First time opening. I collect the card. Let's see if we get something good, guys.
But if there's any particular moments from meeting fans that have, you know, kind of
Let's see if we get something good. I'm kind of nervous. I'm scared. It's not a God pack, unfortunately, but it's okay. I'm struggling. We do got something. We do got a hit. We got a hit. Do we have a hit? Am I tripping? Oh, a Master Ball Pyroar. It's just a Master Ball Pyroar. We'll take it. Master Ball. I don't mind. I don't mind. We'll take it. Come on, Lieutenant Pants. You got this. I'll give you the power. Yeah, that was the There we go. It's in my card. Yeah, got it. Got it. Exactly. Yeah, I shed a single tear. So gray hair that was on there. Exactly. I'm gonna be so mad if he gets a God pack.
One over, right?
One from the back, one from the front. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, it's already shiny.
Oh, it's already shiny. That's a good sign. Oh, it's not a God pack, but it's okay. We'll take it. Houndoom, Professor's Research, Anaplin, Bronzong, Earthen Vessel. Oh, yeah, it's an ace pack. It's an ace pack. Let's go. We take those. We take those. We take those. Oh, let's go. We take those. It's a full art. We take it. Easy money. We'll take it. That was really good.
How about you guys? What nervous moment do you have, Alex?
Yeah, bring out the shirt.
Stay on brand.
Let's go, guys.
Well, let me think on this. Go ahead.
Okay.
That was it, guys. Of Collect-A-Con. What do you guys think? We got Oogie Boogie. We got definitely Oogie Boogie.
Where's Sam?
Cool event, not gonna lie. Really fun. Like I said before, market for Pokemon is still high. It's gonna stay high. A lot of things expensive, but overall fun. Really, really fun. It's time to go home. We're hungry, we're starving, we're dying. Bye, guys.
Bye. See you. Like and subscribe.
There you go, what he said.
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, guys. Well, guys, just drop off the boys, and now I'm heading home. I haven't ate anything at all. I'm starving. A little tired, still sick. I'm sure you guys can hear from my raspy voice, but yeah, it's time for me to go home and chill and rest. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys when I get home. Well, guys, I'm back home now. Very happy to be back home, and that was it. That was Collect-A-Con. That was the vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, hit that like button, subscribe down below. If you're new, if you want to see more, let me know, guys. Let me know. Really appreciate you guys letting me know. That was fun. It's been a while since I did a vlog, but I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay elite. Peace.